Hello everyone, welcome to the third lecture of IP addressing practical. In our first two lectures, we have created the design for LAN and WAN network and also provided IP address to our PCs. In this class, I am going to explain you how to provide IP address to your router also. So let's start with the end devices again. Now I have a three network here. 1, 2 and third network is which is going to connect with one router with another router. So I'm going to use here sticky notes. In my first network, I'm going to use A class 10.0.0.0. But I don't want to waste my IP address. So that's why I'm using subnetting /29. So my 10.0.0.1 will be the first IP and 10.0.0.6 will be the last IP. In my another network, I am going to use B class private IP address 172.16.0.0/29 again, because here I also want to use only 4 IP address. So 1 to 6 are the valid IP address. Now in router to router, I am going to use IP address 192.168.1.0. This is just for examples. Otherwise, in routers, we are using public IP address. So here I'm going to provide you example only. So that's why I'm using this IP address. So why I have used /30? Because I need only 2 IP address here. So let's start from the PC1. Again, desktop IP addressing 10.0.0.1, 255.255.255.248. And now I have to move on to second PC 10.0.0.2, 255.255.255.248, 10.0.0.3. Okay, gateway I will provide you later. Third PC is 10.0.0.3, 255.255.255.248. So I have provided IP address to 3 PCs. Now I need to provide IP address to routers port also from the same network. So that will be 10.0.0.4. And the IP address that is connected switch with the router and the IP address provided on the router port is known as a gateway. So 10.0.0.4 will be the default gateway for this local area network. 10.0.0.4, 10.0.0.4. So in my next LAN network, same as 172.16.0.1, 255.255.248. In my second PC, 172.16.0.2, 172.16.0.3, and I want to use here 172.16.0.4. So 0.4 will be the default gateway for this network. 172.16.0.4. I'm going to copy this, and after copy I'm going to paste in the default gateway. So this is done. After that, it is the time to provide IP address to router also. So click on the router, go to the CLI, command line interface. Now I have to provide IP address to gig 0/1 as well as gig 0/0. So continue with configuration dialog. No. So this is my enable config. Interface gig 0/1, IP address 10.0.0.4, 255.255.248. Now routers ports are by default in shutdown mode, no shutdown. So this is the command to link up, exit. Interface gig 0/0, IP address. Now this is router to router, so I have to use 192 here. 192.168.1.1, 255, 255, 252. No shutdown. Exit. If you want to save the configuration, use the command do right here. So the practical of first router is done. Now move on to second router here. On the second router, I have to again put the command no enable and config terminal. So for gigabit 0 by 1, I have already provided IP address 172.16.0.4, 248. No shutdown. And exit. Interface gig 0/0, IP address 192.168.1.2. No shutdown. So you can check all the links are green. Do right is used to save the configuration. All the links are green here. Now you can ping within your LAN network. So if you go to the command prompt, then ping 10.0.0.4. Now it is going to ping with the gateway of this router. So similarly, you can check the pinging with this simulation process like this, successful. You can click on this message, you can ping, and you can also ping router to router also. This is, I have to check. Oh, successful. Okay. So this is all about IP addressing practical. I'm sure it will be a great knowledge for you. And now you can practice this at your home. Thank you so much.